Today we are going to be installing a aftermarket radio microphone. This is so you can use the Bluetooth microphone for your phone or an Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. You can give voice commands through the radio. So a lot of people might be wondering where the best place to mount and route this in the Acura RSX is. So I've decided to mount it on the A-pillar, and so I've already taken off the A-pillar cover. It's sitting right here. It's very easy. You should have a trim piece tool. All you're gonna do is you're gonna put it right here where the headliner meets the pillar cover. Put it in there, pull out. There is one tab here, and then in the middle of the pillar there's a second tab, so about right here. Just gonna pull out here, and you're gonna keep pulling, and it's gonna pop that out, and then you can just pull the whole pillar straight out and set it to the side. Secondly, there is a panel underneath the driver's side wheel well. I've already removed it, so as you can see, there's usually a panel. It's this panel right here. This is super easy to take off. There is one twist here, so you're gonna twist that. You're going to push the whole panel towards you, and it's going to drop down. So yeah, super easy. 2 first steps, and then of course have your radio out. So here, as you can see, I've already taken the pocket out. My previous video showed you guys how to route a USB through where the cigarette lighter is. So have that out, have your radio out. And so what we're going to be doing is we're going to be routing the cable down the A-pillar. Inside here, it's going to drop down to the driver wheel well. Then we're going to route it over here and up into the radio cavity. It's going to be that simple. So I'm going to get that done, and then I'll show you guys the work after. Okay, so I have finished routing and taping down the microphone. So I've added a safety loop in there. Just in case something happens and it kind of gets moved around. This will make sure this doesn't get pulled out. I've wrapped the wire with electrical tape around the existing harness here just to make sure it doesn't move around. I wrapped it again right here. And then there's a little bit extra again over here just in case I want to move the position around. And I've wrapped that in electrical tape. We have routed it back here. See if we can get that to focus. Yeah, so we've routed it back here again along the original loom. Make sure you don't put it in either of those holes. That's where the A-pillar cover is going to slip in, so you don't want to crush your wire. And you're going to route it down here. It pops out right down here. And what I've done is I've ran it across up here. Make sure you route it over the steering column. I routed around where that yellow tab back there is, and around the fuse box, and then now that's coming out right here. So here you have it. And so you're going to plug your radio in. It's going to sit back here, fine and dandy. Loop the extra wire. There's enough wire so that if you really wanted to, you don't like the 8-pillar position, you could definitely mount it anywhere along the headliner, probably up till about here near the mirror. So I'm going to throw the radio in, clean up, and I'll have my review on the radio for you guys in another video. Thanks again for watching. If you do want to see more content, make sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in another video. Thanks. Bye.